Google. Google is a US-based multinational technology organization founded in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. It is popularly known for its search engine. In the year 2015, Sergey Brin and Larry Page opened a new company named Alphabet Incorporation, which took over Google and became the parent company of other Google subsidiaries. In December 2019, Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Alphabet Inc. Google's search engine can be accessed by typing www.google.com into the address bar of a web browser like Chrome and pressing the Enter key. A few tips for using the Google search engine are: keep the search words simple, like a stationery shop near me or how the weather will be today. Unable to type, you can use the microphone icon to speak the search words. You do not have to worry about the spelling mistakes.